Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Gaming for Beginners. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to change language in Heyday. To change your Heyday in preferred language is super easy. First of all, launch open the Heyday application on your device. Once you're inside the Heyday homepage, go ahead and tap on the three horizontal menu button at the top left corner and click Settings. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see a language option. Tap on it and from the available language list, select one of your preferred one. Select the preferred language you want to change to and this will immediately change the language setting. The game will be restarted and you'll now be able to see a different language in your interface. Heyday supports many languages but availability depends on your region and device. You can switch back to your original language anytime using the same step. So that's how you successfully learn how you can change the language in Heyday. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.